I was so happy when they announced Hyderabad as a place for him to come. I just bought the tickets instantly as soon as they came in. I think I'll go crazy and I'll probably cry if I see him. But yes, I'm just waiting for him to.
There was some ruckus happened. The Messi fans are disappointed.
Yes, so that was actually really unfortunate what happened. I did not expect such a commotion in any place, not especially Kolkata, anywhere. So I am, even if I think from, putting myself in Messi's position, the fact that he's coming to Hyderabad after all that is very, very good, and actually I appreciate the fact that he's coming. If I would have been in his position, maybe I would have cancelled the entire thing going forward. But I'm really happy that he's considering continuing the thing.
Messi is coming to Hyderabad, so yes, very excited.
This is the first tour of the Hyderabad, Messi and India.
Yes.
How you are feeling all this football? Do you like football?
Yes, and I think it's after 14 years that Messi is coming to India, so yes, very excited, and yes.
From how many days you are like Messi sportive?
I cannot wait for him.
I mean, Messi is the GOAT of all time, so yes, everybody knows him. For me, it's been quite a few years now, so yeah.
In Kolkata, Messi is not played football. The fans are mostly disappointing. Are you expecting in Hyderabad the same thing?
I think Hyderabad should be more organized, because the CM itself is playing the match, a celebrity match with Messi. So plus now that it has happened in Kolkata, so they must be more prepared in those 2-3 hours they have now got. So not expecting the same, hopefully.